Hi, my name's Willie. I'm from Carson Saw Shop here in Eugene, Oregon, and I've been sharpening tools here for 25-30 years, and I'm here with Expert Village today. These are your standard hedge shears, and they're just oversized scissors, and they're pretty basic to sharpen, just like the other tools. You just try to follow the angles that the factory put on them originally. Once you get a nice clean straight cut edge, that looks pretty good there. Let's see what happens on the other side. That looks good there. So same thing with these, you just need to make sure and hone all the wire edge off so that they don't bite into each other. This is a good soft stone here, and it really cuts fast, so it takes that little edge off. Makes a smoother cutting face on the inside here. Keeps the two edges from chomping into each other. Those sound about right.